adoption. So currently, I think we're seeing much more tin can or xAPI content in use, but I would say that people really ideally would be using CMI5. I go back to that launch mechanism being really this this kind of off the cuff thing I put together. It's more thought out for CMI5, and CMI5 I think is just the direction that we're going now, and it has a profile, whereas just plain xAPI, just plain tin can packages, there's no profile, so it's harder to make meaning out of the statements you're getting out of it. So that making of meaning is very important, and it's a big benefit to using CMI5. Just want to touch on some underutilized features here, or at least things that we think are underutilized. Statement signing. If you want a way to go back and prove that a statement hasn't been tampered with, that it was made by a particular system, xAPI has baked into it a definition of how a statement should be signed so that you have that strong evidence. That's a feature that I was really expecting people would care more about than they do. It seems really useful. Attachments. You can actually just, if you have, for example, a video demonstrating someone's performance of something they've learned, you can attach that to a statement. Now, you have the spec says you can do that. The spec says systems should try to allow reasonable sized attachments. We can't, there isn't really an enforcement that you have to allow your 500 megabyte video. So there's some within reason there, but certainly PDFs or images that you can attach things to statements, and that's pretty neat. Profiles are not really broadly adopted yet. And that's a shame, because it really does help people understand what they're doing with this big pile of data. So check out the Catapult project for CMI5. It goes into a lot of information about what CMI5 is, and provides a test suite, which should really help, we would hope, with the adoption of CMI5, that people can prove out if they're actually doing it right.